My name's Adam Gutierrez, and I've been riding since I was 5 years old. My parents always got to... Johnny! What's up, dude? My parents always try to get me to do baseball, soccer, tennis, but I just seemed like I was doing better on two wheels. Just knowing the throttle and speed compared to baseball, you know? Like when I was younger, I used to just, when I was mad, just hop on my 90 and just romp, you know, go on the fields. And this is basically what I do. Something that I learned and absolutely love to do, still is our freaking donuts, dude. Like it gets the chicks. Like watch this. I ride dirt bikes, and so should you. No feeling, no emotion, no nothing can stop me from gripping it and ripping it. I'm Adam Alexander Gutierrez, and I ride nothing bigger than a 90.